Okay, so let's look at NIO as the name of the company and the name of the stock. Everyone's opinion in the whole world about this stock or any other stock is reflected right here in the charts. By definition, all the information that's available is out there. The buyers will buy it, the sellers will sell it, and that determines the price. And so the price action is all we need to look at. And here it is right here in front of us. So let's start off, as we always, with a big picture view. This is, you can see here over several years here, you can see that it had its big rise and then its dramatic fall. And that's why no doubt it's getting so much interest, because it seems so cheap. But things can go a lot cheaper. So let's take a look though. This, what I like about this one is we've got nice support here that's around $10, which is interesting because most funds can't buy a stock unless it's $10 or over. So if it can hold that line there, that means it's still in with a chance. Of course, there's a lot of upside here to get back to where it's been before. It's not like it's heading to virgin territory. It can get, 35-6 times your return here if it can just get to those heights. So the question is if and when. When we're looking at the chart, we don't really much concern ourselves with if, it's just when. Well, it's got to prove itself to us. And right now, it's not doing much. It's below its key moving average here of 40 weeks. But what is interesting, as I say, there's a nice support line there, and if you wanted to go in, you could get in around now actually at this price and say, look, if it drops below that line, say 5-10%, then it's going to be headed a lot lower, and you can get out with not much loss to live and fight another day. And that's really the name of the game. Minimize the downside, let the upside take care of itself. Let's zoom into the daily chart now. And so we can see day by day and instead of week by week. And there's that line there around $10. Let's see if we can draw a trend line here and connect a few dots. So there it is, and that's a pretty good trend line, pretty horizontal, fairly long, and so you can see it. So it's bouncing along here. The question is that the bottom? Well, we don't know. So if we can buy here, and there's a tight stop loss around there, then nothing ventured, nothing gained. Now, what I would like to see, though, really, is to get back above this 40-week. Now, you can see these black volume bars here. There is some buying coming in, but it's not enough to compete against the sellers who keep bashing this down. So time has not come yet. That's not to say it won't come, but I will keep you posted on this stock. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will give you updates later on.